Let's decode every USB port color in 8 minutes. White USB ports, the dinosaurs. If you see a white USB port, congratulations, you've discovered USB archaeology. These usually mean USB 1.0 or USB 1.1, introduced back in 1996, when the internet screamed at you before connecting. White ports were designed for extremely basic devices like keyboards, mice, and printers. Stuff that didn't move much data and didn't expect miracles. Speed-wise, we're talking 1.5 megabits per second at low speed and up to 12 megabits per second at full speed. Back then, impressive. Today, your mousepad probably moves data faster. Data could also only move one way at a time, which made everything even slower. USB 1.x is completely obsolete. You'll only find white ports on ancient office PCs, industrial equipment, or computers that should have retired years ago. And this is where things start getting confusing. Because from this point on, the color actually matters, sometimes. Black USB ports, the reliable workhorses. Black ports almost always mean USB 2.0. This standard launched in 2000 and became the backbone of USB for over a decade, and it refuses to die. USB 2.0 supports speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. Not fast by today's standards, but still perfectly usable, which is why USB 2.0 is everywhere. It's perfect for keyboards, mice, microphones, webcams, printers, controllers, and anything that doesn't constantly move large files. Many manufacturers still prefer USB 2.0 for these devices because it's stable and predictable. The downside? For external drives, video files, or backups, USB 2.0 is painfully slow. Usable, yes. Enjoyable, no. Think of USB 2.0 as the trusty delivery van. It always shows up, it just doesn't hurry. And this is exactly where most people unknowingly kill their transfer speeds without changing a single setting. Blue USB ports, the glow-up era. Blue USB ports usually mean USB 3.0, also called superspeed USB. And this is where USB finally leveled up. USB 3.0 supports speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, more than 10 times faster than USB 2.0. External drives suddenly made sense. Copying videos didn't ruin your afternoon, and backups stopped feeling like a character-building exercise. USB 3.0 also introduced full duplex communication, meaning data can be sent and received at the same time.